I'm Michael Hilkemeyer, and I help teachers successfully integrate technology in their curriculum today. And this is the place to be if you are looking for online workshops for primary school teachers. As a member of my ICT in Education Teacher Academy, you will gain instant access to 50 plus online workshops for primary school teachers. That will, each one of them loaded with the best technology teaching strategies that you can apply and employ in your classroom now. And that will boost your knowledge, skills, and capabilities in integrating technology in meaningful and purposeful learning activities. When integrating digital technology in the curriculum, it is important to remember that it is not the device that promotes children's learning, but it is how you, as the educator, use the device to support the learning that is important. That is why I have put together over 50 online courses for primary school teachers and for early childhood teachers to do with integrating ICT in literacy, in primary maths, in primary science, and even if you are in a leadership role and you want to hone in on those expertise that will really make you shine as a leader in technology integration. Also, within the Academy, you'll gain access to other resources, such as ebooks for courses and other teaching resources for primary school teachers and for early childhood teachers, such as technology integration lesson plans. So why pay full fee for a course today when you can pay a monthly membership of just $50 per month and gain instant access to all courses today? Plus, become part of a real professional learning community of like-minded people who are willing to help you every step along the way. So join today. You'll find the link under this video, and I hope that I can help you in your professional learning community today.